6:45 p.m. for the following county: Cedar, Iowa. Severe thunderstorm watch number 359 has... The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cedar County, Scott County, southeastern Jones County, northeastern Muscatine County, Clinton County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oxford Junction to near Loudon to near Rochester, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. These are very dangerous storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Davenport, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Clinton, Durant, Eldridge, DeWitt, Comanche, LeClaire, Wilton, Walcott, Bluegrass, Buffalo, Albany, Princeton, Long Grove, Loudon, Wheatland, Cranmount, and Wyoming. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 266 and 306. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 9. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.